Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 184th episode of Tone's Take, and I am so proud to be an American on the eve of the 4th of July, mainly because this guy is not my president, and yes, Donald Trump is our president, and he is pretty much an idiot as well, but at least we have a democracy, a constitution that doesn't allow stupid things to happen. Case in point is Poland. Poor Poland. They are in the grips of a constitutional crisis, which, yeah, that doesn't really happen here in the U.S. The head of the Supreme Court, whose name is, gosh, I'm going to butcher this so bad, Malgorzata Gersdorf. My Polish friends out there, did I get that right? Anyway, she is standing in open defiance of this president who's pretty much chalking up the deuces to her, pretty much saying that any judge over the age of 65 must now step down into retirement. And this is affecting 27 out of 72 judges that sit on the Polish Supreme Court, which is pretty crazy. Now, this isn't something new, although it is being enacted literally tomorrow on the morning of July 4th. That basically means that if this poor old lady shows up to work at the Supreme Court, which she is the Chief Justice of, she probably will not be let in. And in a formerly communist country known as Poland, I'm hoping that she does not get beat up. But it is pretty interesting because she is pretty much standing in open defiance of this rule, which was put into place by the president, whose name I'm also going to butcher, President Andre, I'm guessing it's Andre, it's got like Z's and J's in it, Duda, and his right-wing Law and Justice Party. I like the name of the party, but man, your rule seems really stupid, and I guess in Polish, it's the PIS party, which is an acronym for piss, which, yeah, this is a piss poor rule you guys are enacting. And I really do feel bad for Malgorzata Gersdorf and all the people that are protesting now. This is a really stupid rule. And the reason why this right wing, left wing, whatever it is, what wing did I say it was from? I can't even remember which wing it is. But the reason they're enacting it apparently is because they feel like some of the older justices still have ties to communism. The party argues that it is needed to address ineffectiveness in a system steeped in communist era mentality and power structures. However, critics say that the PIS is seeking control over courts for political gain, and the policies, which also include tighter control of public media, account to a shift towards authoritarian rule, which to me just also seems like communism. So you're literally fighting communism with communism. So I really do feel bad for the people of Poland. I'm hoping that the European Commission has opened up a legal case against Poland over the Supreme Court changes on Monday, saying they undermine independence and the largest former communist member of the European Union. So this just really seems like the country is moving backwards. I'm hoping that America doesn't follow the same path, especially since one of our great justices, Anthony Kennedy, is stepping down. But I am just also glad that we have a system of checks and balances, and we have enough smart people laugh as I say that, that hopefully won't allow something like this to happen in the future. So Poland, my heart goes out to you. I feel sorry for your 27 justices that are going to be forced to step down. Apparently they could have stayed if they put in like a request to have their terms extended, but Magdalena, whatever her name is, Gersdorf, is basically saying, I don't need to do that. The Constitution says I can stay in power and you are not going to kick me out. So it's going to be really interesting to see what happens between her and the president. Will Andre just come up and be like, you're out of here, and like lay the smackdown on her? It'll be really interesting. But let me know what you guys think about this story, because I always like to find things. I never thought I'd be talking about Poland of all places, but hey, this just seems like a huge injustice by the piss party, and it's stupid and it shouldn't be done. So I hope the European Union somehow steps in. I don't know what they're really going to do, but something needs to be done to stop that. I will be keeping my eyes on this story, and as it might have ramifications for other countries around the world. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and peace out.